Hello, I'm Peter Towers. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Accountant's role is a bit like a financial Sherlock Holmes. This was the comment that Andrew Geddes, an Australian accounting industry expert and the former chair of Green Cross Limited, a top 200 ASX company, that Andrew had originally advised 30 years ago when Dr. Glenn Richards was contemplating forming a veterinary surgery chain around Australia. And 15 years ago, Andrew introduced the leadership team of Green Cross to the scaling up process by encouraging them to all travel to America for 3 weeks to be fully immersed into the scaling up process. And then he was chairman for 10 years of the company that completed a great achievement of starting as a one veterinary surgery practice in Townsville and growing to a top 200 ASX company. You need to have developed skills a bit similar to what the legendary Sherlock Holmes had to solve murder cases. Is really what he was saying. This was all part of our commentary on the business advisory services packages that were part of session 2 of the webinar to promote Black Friday and the end of lockdowns. I hope we weren't too premature in the celebration of the end of lockdowns. And we were looking at SME needs analysis, business planning, crowdsource funding, equity raising, strategic business mentoring, succession planning, which are some of the key product packages included within ESS BIZTOOLS. As part of this discussion, Andrew Geddes made the comments accountants offering business advisory services play a bit like a Sherlock Holmes financial advisor, because they need to understand the business. They need to dig down. They need to be able to analyze key performance indicators and understand what makes this business tick. And they need to be able to understand who the customers are and the cash flow implications, how much stock the business has, what's the investment in inventory, what's the amount of money owing to creditors, what's the debtors' days outstanding and the creditors' days outstanding. Andrew went on to say what he's seeing is that some accountants, partners and senior managers are really encouraging younger accountants to get involved. They're taking them out on assignment visits. They're having them sit in on meetings with the key people in the client's organisation. The younger accountant is entrusted with the task of taking the minutes, preparing the report on what was discussed at the meeting. So they're learning that there's a lot more to offering accounting services, especially if you're offering business advisory services, than the preparation of a set of financial accounts and an income tax return. Andrew Geddes basically concluded these comments by saying when the profession is screaming out for young people to come and work in the firms, this is a great opportunity to help younger accountants have a better appreciation of what the accountant's role is or could be when it comes to supplying a broader range of services to SMEs. I hope that you have had the opportunity of thinking about some of these matters. And if you are interested in having a look at the product packages which ESS BIZTOOLS has developed. There's 32 in total. They're all included in the advanced product package, and 17 of them are included in the startup package. We have a 50% Black Friday end of lockdown special across all of our product packages, but the headline act is that the advanced package is only $3,250 for the upfront 12 months in advance payment, as compared to $6,500 normally. And the Business Advisory Services Starter Package, 12 months upfront discount payment, is $999 including GST, as compared to $2,100 normally. I invite you to go to our website to be able to view the package details, and you can subscribe while you're there. So if you are inclined to subscribe, please go to www.essbiztools.com.au, subscribe here, and that will take you to the advanced package, the starter package, and all of the other packages, the rest of the 32, because you can pick the packages you would like to receive if you like, and they all have a 50% discount. Please remember, you have to insert the discount code that is identified very clearly on our website. You can't miss it when you go onto it. If you have any questions about any aspect of the services that ESS BIZTOOLS is providing, can you please send me an email, peter@essbiztools.com.au, and I will get back to you. You can listen to the 40-minute recording of Andrew Geddis's and my analysis of those product packages that I mentioned a little bit earlier by clicking onto the link on the email that you've received telling you about this particular video recording. We will be continuing for the rest of this week, each day, the commentary that we prepared on the subsequent webinars. There were 5 in total that were presented on Black Friday, the 26th of November. Stay safe. Have a great day. Goodbye.